Custom Preventive Force seized a foreign sports car with registration number MSZDA RX8 at custom checkpoint along Indo-Myanmar border around 3 p.m. yesterday. The foreign car was smuggled from Myanmar to Imphal, reports said. Further investigations are on. Ahead of the month-long observance of Irabod anniversary beginning tomorrow, the Jana Neta Irabod Memorial Trust, Jiribam and Friendly Environment Warriors, Jiribam have jointly organized a cleanliness program in and around Irabod complex at Babupara, Jiribam today. A two-day-long annual workshop on National Group Meet Rabi 2019-20 concluded today at the auditorium of Central Agricultural University, Manipur. The workshop was conducted by CAU Manipur in collaboration with All India Coordinated Research Project on Forage Crop and Utilization ICAR Jhansi. Social Awareness Service Organization observed the World Overdose Awareness Day at the Panchayat Bhavan of Imphal East DC complex today. The day was being observed to remember and condole every individual who died of drug overdose across the globe. A motivational campaign for students on the theme It's Not Over has kicked off today at RK Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya, Pangai. The program is organized by Live Gem Foundation, New Delhi. The event will continue till September 4th. On the opening day today, member of the foundation, Isaac Chaudhary and artist Sam David shared the students on their struggle, motivating the students besides entertaining them with musical performances.